Do you love that pickleball pop, but hate the pop your knees make the next morning? Yeah, that chorus of creaks and groans, you're not the only one. For so many players over 50, that post-game stiffness can make you wonder, am I one wrong lunge away from the physio? Well, here's the good news. You can love your game and protect your knees. Today, I'll show you how to build strong, pain-free knees that keep you on the court for years to come. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Why pickleball can be so tough on the knees and what's really going on behind that pain. Then we cover my 5 bulletproof exercises that will transform your knee stability and power. And then right at the end, I'll share one bonus pre-game ritual I use myself before every match to keep my knees happy and ready to play. So stick with me till the end. Your future knees will thank you for it. I'm Gavin Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn and from the Gav Noble 10X Physio channel, the place where we help people over 50 stay mobile, strong and pain-free so you can keep doing what you love and stay out of the doctor's office. If that sounds like something you want more of, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. If you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, it would mean a lot to us if you did. When you subscribe, it helps us create even better videos and share these tips with more people who want to stay strong and mobile. Let's talk about why your knees are taking such a beating. Pickleball isn't a straight line sport like walking or cycling. It's all about explosive starts, stops, shuffles, and twists. Your knee acts like the hinge on a busy gate, and every quick pivot or reach adds load. Now add in a few decades of wear and tear, maybe a touch of arthritis and some underused muscles, and you've got the perfect storm. When your glutes, quads and hamstrings, the muscles that should absorb the impact, they're weak or imbalanced, that stress goes straight into the knee joint. That's when you get that familiar ache, the pinch after playing, or the wobble when changing direction. But here's the good news. Your body is amazing at adapting. We can build a muscular armor system around your knees. Strength, stability, and endurance that lets you move faster, safer, and with more confidence. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Here are the 5 key exercises I give to my over 50 pickleball players to keep their knees bulletproof. So number 1, banded lateral walks. This one targets the side hip muscles, your glute medius, the ones that stop your knees caving in when you shuffle at the net. Think of it as your anti-wobble system. So mini squat position, step sideways with control, keep tension on the band the whole time. Do 10 steps each direction, 2 to 3 sets. Start with the band above your knees if it's too tough. Exercise number 2, single leg glute bridge. This one's your power move. Strong glutes equals strong knees. So you lie on your back, one leg extended, drive through your heel, lift your hips, squeeze at the top. Hold and then lower slowly. 10 to 12 reps per leg, 2 sets. If that's tough, do both feet on the floor to start. Exercise number 3, reverse lunges. Forget forward lunges. This version is knee friendly and still hits all the right muscles. Take a big step back, lower slowly, front knee stays above the ankle, and then just drive up. Control is key. 10 each side, 2 sets. Hold onto a chair if balance is tricky. Exercise number 4, banded terminal knee extensions. This one's a physio favorite and for good reason. It targets the VMO, that teardrop muscle right above the kneecap. It's your shock absorber and braking system when you slow down after a fast move. Anchor the band at knee height, step back, slightly bend the knee, then tighten your thigh to straighten against the band. Hold for 2 seconds, repeat 15 times each leg. If you've no band, sit on the floor and do quad sets by pressing your knee onto a rolled towel. Exercise number 5, wall sits. Simple, brutal, effective. You know that low ready stance at the kitchen line? This is your endurance builder. Slide down the wall to a 90-degree angle and hold for 30 seconds. As you get stronger, work to 60 seconds. 3 rounds. Too tough? Don't go as low. Start higher, but do challenge yourself. If these exercises are already helping you picture getting back on court with confidence, hit that subscribe button and drop a quick comment below telling me what part of your game your knees struggle with most. That helps me plan future videos just for you. So now on screen, here's that video that I promised you, which is my pre-match ritual. And it's my warm-up that I use for pickleball. So please click on that link, which is on screen right now. And again, that will help you and your pickleball game. So there you have it, your 5-step plan to bulletproof your knees. Lateral walks for stability, glute bridges for power, reverse lunges for control, terminal knee extensions for knee alignment, and wall sits for endurance. Do these 2 to 3 times a week and you'll build the kind of strength that keeps you playing pain-free for years to come. But remember, it's not just what you do in the gym, how you move on court matters too. So don't miss the next video, which is attached on the screen here now. So click that link in the description. It's Pickleball over 50. Avoid these 5 painful mistakes. It's a perfect follow-up to keep your knees and your game strong, mobile, and pain-free. I'm Gavin Noble. Thanks for watching. Stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.